Alright, morning thoughts. Welcome to Morning Thoughts, everybody. If you've never been here before, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you're notified whenever videos are posted here on SoFlo TV. Alright, so I haven't been putting up much morning thoughts lately, or what I've been doing is I've been mixing the morning thoughts into an actual segment where I talk about a full topic. Right? So, and what this does is, I notice that my audience is very busy. So, they don't tune in and stay with the videos. And I'm a kind of person that I like to have you informed. So, it takes multiple videos per day. Remember, so I sit down on my yard now, Not really sit down on my yard now, but I'm working from home now. So, I have more time on my hands. Right? So, I'm giving you more material. So if I put out 3 videos for the day, y'all only viewing one of it. So I saved the morning thoughts because not too many people tune in. Let me stop. A lot of people do tune into the morning thoughts. But if you compare 2,000 people in a 24-hour period watching a morning thoughts video versus 20,000 people watching a hot topic video, then that's the reason why I'm mixing the morning thoughts into the hot topics. Today is my filming day. I'm going to go film a series of videos for you. I want y'all to stay tuned. They're going to be very fun and funny and interesting, and some of them are very serious, right? I won't reveal the topics here. Just a heads up, we do have a P.O. box now. So what we're doing on the channel is we're also doing product placement. So if you're a person that make purses, design jewelry, do artwork, like anything that you do that's, that you can produce. I have a guy that does clothing. He has his clothing line where he does shoes. And I have one that does shoes, pants, shirt, the whole 9. And they've been wanting to send stuff in for us to unbox and review. Well, we now have a P.O. box, right? And the information for the P.O. box is at the top of the channel, but I will link it in this video, pin it in the comment section so you can see it. So for those of you out there, entrepreneurs, link up and let's do some business. We're doing product placement now. Ads for businesses, promotions, parties, artists, events, so on and so forth. So if you have a shop or a store or a .com, because we live in that kind of world now. People make money online, run a complete business online. Right? So you don't necessarily need a storefront out in the street. So if you're one of those people and you need promotion for your business, link up. Now, parties, artists, the artists them, same thing. You've seen me do some videos recently for artists. May I push out some artists. I'm going to try to push out the artists them that I think their music says something. But please understand, I'm not the type of person that believes that art should be censored. So don't expect me to censor these people's art, and when them come to me for promotion, I'll tell them, say, don't change your material. I'm going to push it. If you don't want to see it, leave your comment in the comment section below the video. Tell the artist how you feel. Yo, that song you're nice, brother, go on and do it. Or, your music is nice, but please be respectful. You know what I'm saying? Because we thrive on that over here. We can disagree, but we can do it respectfully also. You don't have to tell nobody what under them know nothing in order to tell them that you don't like what they're doing. You know what I'm saying? So if it's not to your liking or taste, just say so, and then give the artist some constructive criticism. You're a good artist, but I think you need to fix up so and so. The kids are watching, or whatever you want to say. Or if you young and wild like the artist is and you don't reach the old up, cold up age yet where you feel like a church music alone you need to listen to, then you can make the artist know, yo, this shit banging. More of this, right? That kind of stuff. So we're promoting artists, businesses, parties, events. I have another event that I'm about to put out a promo for. Stay tuned for it. And it's a cancer awareness concert and seminar that they're going to have in Jamaica, which is so much needed, and there are some big name artists that have gotten on board, which is awesome to see. I'm going to pull that up. You'll see that come up to the channel pretty soon. Now, recently, An artist asked me to do a promotion, right? Shouldn't say asked me. We worked together. Did a promotion for the artist. Let me tell you, this artist released his own song on his own YouTube. And I went and I checked before I did the promo for him. And it was up there for 1 week. And it had 0 views. Right? I did my promo for him. Worded it my way. Sold it to my audience. It had 10,000 views in the first 24 hours. So if you don't think that the promo thing works, then that's fine. But I have a track record over here that it works, okay? If someone has a bigger platform than you do, and your material resonates with their platform, then by all means, spend your little money, promo your business. Me and this artist don't live in the same city. We're not in the same place. We're both from Jamaica though, but he's in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and if you can go check out the video, it's called Stop Push Badness. That's the name of his song. And I can't believe that he actually did it and put it out there and it had no views. When I saw it, it had 0 views and the computer said it had been up for a week already with 0 views. On a channel that I think had 21,000 subscribers. 0 views. So, me putting it out, over 10,000 views, active views because comments were left as well, so it made up views. Plus, I can't do that anyways on my channel because if I do, YouTube will penalize me, right? I have to let it do what it does, and that's how it goes. Anyways, to each one of you out there, man, that's still continuing to keep it positive, go ahead and do so, right? Life too short for the negativity. Uplift yourself, uplift the others, those around, the others. Uplift yourself and uplift those around you, right? Family is everything. I'm home. My baby is doing good. Wifey is doing good. She's in there right now, probably either breastfeeding or the baby laying on her. And life is good. Can't complain right now. I'm trying to get as much done as possible because I'll probably be picking up a contract here in another couple of weeks. And there are things that I want to have accomplished. Like the book I was telling y'all about and the music. There's so much going on and so much to do. And stepping up the channel, like there's not enough hours in one day. But I have a long list of things to accomplish, but as long as I accomplish some or most of them, then I feel good. Alright? Set your goals, work hard, reach them, and live a progressive, productive life. Oh, and the t-shirts are coming. I was actually up designing some t-shirts, and I'll let y'all know with all the sayings on them, like productivity and progress and all these other kind of things. Somebody said to put some of Brains saying on the shirts as well, which I will. And we're going to take it from there. Alright, big up on yourself, man. Bless up on SoFlo TV. I'm out. Peace.